I think whenever I draw from life or draw a model in the life room, I think it reminds me that it's so important to look through drawing, because you do slow down and you notice subtleties that you wouldn't normally pick up if you're drawing from your imagination. I think I'm thinking about being in the present, so kind of really looking at the model, sometimes not even looking at the page very much, so they're very much kind of like blind drawings. But then thinking about how colour and texture can be added back in to describe perhaps clothing or hair or kind of a shoulder or shadows, kind of thinking about how collage can come in and describe a block or kind of a shape of something. But also I think with collage and drawing from the life model, it's like working with two paces. So when I'm drawing, I feel like I'm much slower and it's really about looking and kind of responding, whereas collage kind of adds that fast-pacedness of cutting and tearing, which I think I need in my work, that quick reaction and then a slow, more considered way of working. It's like just allowing yourself to kind of respond to how you're feeling as well through the materials, rather than it being all very slow or all very fast. I think a lot of it is about kind of combining line with colour. I really enjoy that kind of maybe the charcoal line, kind of quite soft and observed with this smack of collage material. So it's like you really feel like you're playing with these quite delicate and bulky kind of mashing together. And the thing I like about using collage in drawing is that there is that random element of chance, because you get these kind of offcuts maybe of words or handwriting or a bit of a dress pattern, and all of a sudden that leads you in even further. I think like when you're cutting up your own drawings, for example, if you spend the whole morning drawing and then you're generating material and then in the afternoon you cut everything up, and collage with that, it's quite liberating, because all of a sudden you break things free from a frame of the page, and these kind of elements or these fragments of drawings become quite sculptural in a way, because you're tearing them and they could stay like that or become stuck back onto a surface. It's like turning it on its head a bit, kind of. And also what I love about tearing up drawings is that all of a sudden the model might have 5 heads, or all of a sudden there might be another person sitting underneath the model. So you can really play with this imaginary kind of setting, but it's still observed. I think sometimes if I really can't make a decision, I'll just cut something out and drop it from a height, or kind of shuffle things and close my eyes and pick a piece and then see what happens. So bringing that element of chance back into the drawing.